closing.
Checking super closing. Can you guys...
Hello everyone and welcome on board your Jetstar flight. As you settle in, we ask that you move into your seat as quickly as possible, leaving the aisle clear behind you. Please place your smaller personal belongings underneath the seat in front of you, and only your larger bags wheels first into an overhead locker. If your seat is in an exit row or at a bulkhead, you will need to put all of your personal belongings into the overhead lockers. Take care as you open an overhead locker, as some items may have moved. Please know that smoking is not permitted on this aircraft, including inside the lavatories. Let us know at any time if you need any assistance. Thank you and enjoy your Jetstar flight.
Hurry up.